They do share though. There's some research that I've read that shows that in colder temperatures they are more apt or more prone to share. And I believe it. In my second most recently posted video, that's hard to say, second most recently posted video, I'm feeding 7 of them from my hand at once, and it was a pretty cold day. So I'm a believer that they share a little bit better in colder temperatures. Right now it's 54 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's not too chilly at the moment. Maybe that's why they're being a little bit more aggressive towards each other. In my New Year's post that I posted today, I have 3 of them feeding from I created a 2022 feeder sign that I fed them from. There's 3 of them in that one. There was more flying in the background behind me of that video, but 3 main feeders. And again, if you wanted these handheld feeders that I'm using, I sell them. Check out my link that's in my profile, humdaddy.myshopify.com. Ooh, this one's gonna take a bath. Maybe not. That was just dipping their toes. Maybe he's going back. So cute. Baths are a favorite of mine. Joby, you can't keep them as caged pets. No, that is not legal. These are wild animals. Let's keep them wild. But baths are so stinking cute. If you want to attract more hummingbirds, definitely get a moving water feature. It helps. They tend to get sticky from drinking flower nectar. So they seek out moving water. What's up, Steve? Happy New Year. It's good to see you, my friend. Hi, 77 Rocket. You said, do I have any bird houses for them? They don't use bird houses. Hummingbirds are not cavity nesters or cavity dwellers. Bird houses only work for certain types of birds that seek out a cavity. Hummingbirds are not one of them. John Boy, I don't try to pet them because I don't want to contaminate their feathers. Something that's important for all bird species is their natural ability to have waterproof feathers. When they get wet, water rolls right off it. Water off a duck's back. But if a feather becomes contaminated, it loses its waterproofing. Now, many people associate a contaminated bird with like an oil spill, but anything can contaminate a bird's feathers. Even if you just touch them with your hand, we have oil on our skin, natural oil. We have dirt, grime, lotion. So that's why I don't touch them. Ooh, this one's taking a bath again. Breadsticks, you said how many of them a day do I see? Right now, I estimate that I'm feeding about 100. And the way that I get to that estimate